Kasi na-expect namin yung Tim Tam $3.
Kasi sunny din today.
We made it!
And it's free.
So, ginto ang food dito. Pero wala tayong magagawa, kailangan natin uminom.
Pero medyo mahal, so wag na. Ganda naman yung mga shots namin.
What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are here in Sydney, Australia.
Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
So, ito yung morning bites. In our hotel, they have biscuits, fruit, muffin, croissant, other pastries. Ay, yung usual na coffee.
Good morning, mga chabibis! We made it to Sydney, Australia.
Yes, we're here na, finally! This is our 20th international travel as Chub Explorers. Pareho kaming first time namin sa continent na to at sa country na to. Malamang. So, excited talaga kami mag-ikot.
Yes, and today is 10 degrees Celsius pero mahangin. So, ayun talaga eh. So, nag-decide ako mag-heat tech. And then, my shirt and fleece.
Yes. Ako hindi na ako nag-heat tech, but I'm wearing a long sleeves sa top sa loob. And then, makapal yung hoodie ko plus a windbreaker. So, ayun. Pero medyo malamig sa legs. So, baka kung lamigin kayo, gustuhin yung mag-heat tech sa mag-heat tech na bottoms.
Ayun. So, pupunta kami sa Hyde Park ngayon. So, lahat ng tourist spots near Hyde Park, like Queen Victoria Building, and Sydney Tower!
Yes. So, check out din natin kung kaya natin yung St. Mary's Cathedral. And then tonight, we have a night sightseeing bus tour. So, tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Tara na!
So, this is our home-based train station. So, sasakay kami ng train, but we want to show you our neighborhood. Dun sa area na yon, nandun yung Woolworths Metro na pinuntahan namin kahapon.
Ayun, yung malapit na Woolworths sa amin is parang convenience store kasi meron siya talagang supermarket. So, yung malaki siya. So, mas mahal din ang konti yung price ng nandito na malapit sa amin.
Woolworths Metro.
Oo, yung Woolworths Metro kaysa yung sa supermarket. Kasi na-expect namin yung Tim Tam $3 pero $6.50 siya.
So parang siyang Pure Gold Junior, kumbaga.
Yun. Pure
Smaller.
Gold Junior na mas mahal.
Smaller version ng Woolworths. Yung Woolworths Metro.
Yes. So,
Now
tara
you
na.
know. Dito yung train namin. Sasakay na kami. Let's go. Ang ganda ng train station nila, guys. May UK feels. Kasi hindi pa ako nakapunta sa UK.
Di ba? Wala pa naman ako dito sa amin sa UK.
Kaya feels lang, di ba? And double-decker train. So, stairs siya paakyat. But, there's a lift. So, if you have luggage, or if like us, you have a hard time climbing the stairs, you can use the lift. For museum, nasa dulo siya ng station. So, we're walking right now from Museum Station. Ito na yung Hyde Park sa left side niya.
Ang ganda dito mga chabibis. Para kami nasa ibang bansa.
So, ayan. Nakita din namin yung Anzac Memorial. Tara.
Malamig siya. Pero kaya na walang heat tech sa baba.
Yep. Nakaya naman siya. Tsaka feeling ko pag nagtanghali. Kasi sunny din today. Mine.
Ang ganda niya pala.
So this is the Anzac Memorial. We're here right now. Ay!
Ayan, dito ba?
Dalawa silang mine.
Pasok tayo. Ang ganda ng Australia.
So Anzac Memorial was constructed to commemorate the men and women from New South Wales who fought in World War I.
So, pagpasok nyo sa loob, makikita nyo yung mga names nila. So, naka-engrave sa walls ng Anzac Memorial. So, tara na!
So may 120,000 stars daw, which represents yung mga men and women nga who fought in World War I. Yan. If you've been to the American Cemetery in the Philippines, we have something similar doon sa circle. Nasa Taguig siya guys, sa may malapit sa BGC. Here. So the 120,000 stars. So inside the Anzac Memorial, there's also a free museum. May gallery, exhibit. More about World War I and yun nga, Anzac.
So, ayun mga chabibis, dun sa gitna ng memorial, makikita kayong mga rocks, sand, sa gitna. Ayun sa gitna mismo. And tinanong namin yung curator, hindi naman curator or dun sa lobby, kung yun nga yun. Yes. So, anong sabi niya?
From the battlefield.
From the battlefield.
Kung saan nag-fight yung mga men and women ng World War I na kinakommemorate ng Anzac Memorial.
Ayun.
So, exact, ano siya,
Stones and sand.
soil,
Stone, sand.
from those places. Astig!
Super.
So, meron nga yung 1 minute of silence. Tapos, nakaharap sila dun sa Anzac, dun sa memorial stone or what, na, yun nga. So, every 11 a.m. may ganun sila.
Astig!
Grabe talaga. Grabe
cool.
yung ano nila sa history. Sobrang galing. Ano, ibon to guys.
Mabait naman siya. Hindi mo siya nakakaano.
Oo, tsaka hindi naman yan ano dyan.
Sanay siya sa mga tao.
Tatanggalin nila yan dyan kung nanakit siya. This is the upper part of the Anzac Memorial. And this is the view from above. May mga kakaibang birds sila. Dito sa Sydney guys, madami silang mga ganito na signs. It has the map of the area. So hindi ka talaga mawawala. Tapos kung park, may mga information din if dogs are permitted or dogs are not permitted, kung saan may toilet, may cafe, if it's a historical building, if it's a memorial. Ayan. Ang galing. Di ka maliligaw dito. And this is the Hyde Park information. We're going to the Australian Museum. So we're gonna go inside the Australian Museum. Ayan, ang laki niya. So there's a map here. Meron ding physical map. At then, ano magagawa natin here? This part of the museum, pambata siya. It's called the Bora. And they have different activities for the kids. Ayaw ko lang kulan yung buo kasi ang daming bata. Mahirap mag-blur ng face. But it has all kinds of information about the Bora. Yeah. This is Pacifica Gallery. Once Moana.
It's Moana's park.
So maybe lang yun nga, Moana means ocean. Tapos Moana means ocean. So this is Birds of Australia. Ang ganda. It's an emu. And this is a cassowary. It's a penguin. Albatross. There's a pelican. They have the different birds, information about them, and where you can find them in Australia. Grabe, Australia has a lot of birds. Ang mga leader ng mga bibe. Iba-ibang mga ducks. Sobrang daming birds. Ito si Colhan. Ano ba to? Osprey.
Mga eagles, hawks, and
Hawks
falcons.
and eagles. Yun yung mga...
Eagles and falcons.
Diba? Ganyang pet yung dala mo sa BGC. O may dala kang owl, ganon. Para kakaiba ka.
Ang laki yun, nakakatakot.
Oo.
Emu is a bird, but the emu can fly.
Emu is also a teenager na...
Songbird.
Ah,
Regine
si Regine.
Velasquez.
Seabirds.
Ate Regine, hi. Ito si Mike. Nakita namin yan kanina dun sa may sa may Anzac Memorial. Kasi may tubig doon. Kaya nandun sila, lumalangoy-langoy sila doon. Migratory birds. Parrots. Raptors. Songbirds.
Okay, nakita namin to sa may Anzac Memorial. So, it's a white... Is it ibis or ibis?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
These are the native birds in the city. Yan yung mga nakikita around.
Saka to si Silver. Ito, siya to. Yung red
Ay, ayan. oo.
Silver gull. So,
Nandun din siya sa park.
And kumakain siya ng picnic. Kasi nasa city
Nice
siya.
reminder. Ayan. Laughing Kookaburra.
Saka laughing kookaburra. So, ito yung mga kalimitan makikita natin dito sa city. So, nakita na namin to sa Australian white, ibis or ibis and silver gull.
Yep. Dito naman tayo sa dinosaurs.
favorite are herbivores because they're only eating plants.
So you're
flowers.
safe.
Yes. I don't like the carnivores. These are the carnivores.
There's a cafe here at the museum, the Billabong Water Hole. Ayan. Tapos sa 4th floor may restaurant naman.
Maganda yung view. Pero we're not yet ready to take our lunch. Kasi gusto pa kami.
Ito siya sa Harbor View Rooms sa 4th floor. May restaurant na magandang view ng harbor. Kaya nga siya Harbor View. Water. Sa mga floors, meron silang drinking fountain. Pag nauhaw kayo, and of course, toilet. No, Australia's national gemstone is opal. And ang birthstone ni Chabtoni is opal.
Hindi pala, opal.
Huwag kayo magkamali, guys. Alam ko, isang letter lang ang difference. Let's look at the minerals.
Pyrite.
Ayun, ang
Iron
galing.
sulfide. Huanzalamine, Hualga. Pero, so biro mo sa loob ng mga bato, may mga ganyan na namumuo na kung ano-ano stones. Sobrang galing ng nature.
Totoo.
Because of pressure, different
And
kinds,
time.
the different kinds of minerals, nakakabuo kayo ng isang magandang stone. Like, etong pyrite, yan, mga wolfenite.
The fluorescent minerals. Ito yung mga minerals na nag-absorb ng light. Tignan mo, pag namatay yung ilaw,
Ano siya?
ayan o. Ayan na.
Ay,
Ang galing!
oh my God, para siyang neon, nag-glow siya in
Oo,
the dark.
ang galing! It's really glow in the dark minerals. Andiyan naman yung mga information about it. Tsaka kung saan siya mahahanap. So, bawat stone or mineral may number. And then you look for the information right here sa baba. Ang galing. Grabe. Sobrang dami.
Dami talaga. Dati sa box lang natin to nakikita.
Ngayon, nakikita mo na in person.
Yes. Dati sa box lang to. Ngayon, in person na. So nice.
Let's go to the wild planet. Welcome to life. Ang saya!
Sobrang saya.
Grabe! Ay,
You
ang
can touch it.
galing!
Yes, you can touch it.
Submit you. Fur. Ang galing! Oh no! Got the bird.
Yung kangaroo. Pwede ka makipag-iba ko sa'yo.
Ikaw, try mo.
Coastal Tiger. Ano to? Python.
Yung si Pumba.
Pumba! Ostrich.
Nakakatawa na kilala natin yung animals based sa mga characters
Character. Sa cartoons.
sa cartoons.
Si ano oh?
Pumba nga.
Pumba.
Sobrang laki ng museum, guys. Tsaka sobrang daming makikita. Ang daming matututunan. And it's free. Diba? Sobrang astig kaya na meron kang ganitong klase na learning experience tapos libre lang siya. Ang saya. So, dito na kami sa pinakababang area.
Tip lang mga chubibis, mag-start kayo sa taas. So, third floor is the research library. And then second floor, nandun na nag-start yung sa mga dinosaurs, animals. And then, eto nga, kung 200 treasures, Australia.
Let's work your way pababa.
Oo. Para hindi kayo mahirapan, mag-elevator kayo,
Bakit?
paakyat. Tapos pababa, so hindi nyo na kaya mag-elevator.
Matagal din kasi mag-antay sa elevator. So, sa bandang baba, meron silang cloak room where you can leave your jackets kung nandito din kayo ng winter. Pwede rin mag-iwan ng bag actually. So, we'll get our jackets kasi iniwan namin. It's free lang, but you can leave a donation. $2 yung lowest na donation. So, let's get our jackets. They also have a souvenir shop. So after going around, you can buy here some stuff. Usual keychains, postcards, pillows, blankets, mugs, some accessories, tumblers, and sobrang dami. May mga stones din na.
Chili, plum,
Chili relish. Yan, yung mga toys, keychains. I already said keychains. Hats. Silicone LED light. We also have books. Australian wildlife. A day in the bush. Nice. Some Lego accessories. So the museum is open daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ayan. Sobrang enjoy, no? Sa tapat
Wala
siya
sa,
Sorry.
actually wala sa itinerary namin to, pero we're glad that dumaan kami.
So, sa tapat siya ng Hyde Park. Kung galing kayong Hyde Park, it's before getting to St. Mary's Cathedral. That's where we're going right now. Ayan, meron ulit information sa mga streets at saka kung nasan ka, may map and other important na details. So, pagka tayo dun sa St. Mary's. Let's go! We're at St. Mary's Cathedral. May nagbebenta dun, may food truck. Ice cream and coffee. Ayan. This is the front, but the entrance is nasa side. So, punta tayo. There's a mass during weekdays. Alam, may mass ngayon.
45 to 1. Ah, meron ka. Yan yung ano, sabihin mo.
Yan yung mga hours ng mass. I-screenshot nyo na lang. There's a food truck. Museum is right there, so katapat lang siya. Tower is there.
Sobrang ganda, mga chabibis. Tingnan mo. We can't enter kasi may mask.
Oo. So, mass is in progress right now. We can't go inside. Ang ganda ng church. Sayang lang di kami makapasok right now kasi may mass. Pero babalik kami. So, we wanna see you inside. Kung marunong kayo magbike, meron din silang rental bikes here. I honestly don't know how it works, but I think there's a QR code, scan to ride. Ayan. Meron dito sa tapat ng St. Mary's Cathedral. Ayan. Okay, so guys, yung park kanina sa may Anzac Memorial, that's Cook Park. Ito pa lang pala yung Hyde Park. Sorry na. So Hyde Park is in front of St. Mary's Cathedral. And then Cook Park sa Anzac Memorial. Ayan. So may New York feels. And then you can see the Sydney Tower Eye from here. Let's go.
Ang ganda.
Ganda ng fountain and then yung view ng tower.
So,
Ganda, oh.
ito yung Archibald Fountain. So, parang doon sa New York, kahit di pa kami nakapunta doon.
Feeling New York to.
Yes. So, maraming nakatambay dito, nakaupo, para mag-relax. Ang ganda kasi ng panahon.
Yeah.
Ang ganda mag-chill.
So punta na kami ngayon sa Sydney Tower. Ayun siya sa likod. So from Hyde Park, we're gonna walk to Westfield. So it's a vlog ni Ivan de Guzman. Na meron diyang parang food court. So we're gonna check it out and have lunch there. Oh, ganda rin ang vibe dito. Meron cafe sa may Hyde Park. Kasi ganda ng music. Parang feeling French cafe feels. Not that we've been to France. We're currently here at Westfield. Nasa Market Street siya. The closest train station is St. James if you wanna go here. Tapos pagbaba nyo ng St. James, nandun na yung Hyde Park. So, let's go up here. So, madaming luxury brands dito sa di lang dito sa Westfield, even dun sa labas sa streets, Market Street. This is already the CBD, or Central Business District of Sydney. So, ayan, food on 5. This is level 5 of Westfield and para siyang food court. So, hanap tayo ng kakainan. Parang type ko mag-Chinese food para rice. Ayan. Sige. Fortune Alley. Ayan, dito na tayo agad. May here. So, you order here. Yeah, para siyang Panda Express. You can get a large meal box or small meal box. Tapos, choice of sides. Pwede rin namang a la carte. Siguro magsa-small meal box lang ako. So, this is our lunch. We got, small lang to guys ha, pero sobrang dami niya.
Sobrang dami.
Para siyang Panda Express nga. And dito sa dalawang meals na to, including the drink, we paid $40.60. So 40-60 siya. Not bad. Well, again, sakto lang yung presyohan niya for the sa cost of living nila dito.
Yes. So, sa atin mahal kasi nga mas mababa yung natin, salary grade natin.
Yeah.
Kasi lahat ng mga countries, mga first world countries, naka-pattern naman yung salary nila dun sa bilihin nila.
Yeah. So, yan. Let's eat. Kain lang kami, guys. So, ang laki ng serving nila. Kung hindi nyo naubos, meron naman silang microwavable containers here para ma-take away. Madami pang kainan dito, guys, ha. Doon lang kami kumain sa unang nakita namin na may kanin. Kasi gutom na kami. 2 o'clock na. Ngayon pa lang kami nag-lunch. Tapos yung breakfast sa hotel kanina, yung morning bites, parang mga croissant lang, tsaka muffin.
Yung coffee, 24 hours
Pero yung coffee, 24 hours yung coffee. Your morning bites, 6:30 to 10 lang. So, dito din sa 5th floor ng, ano nga yan?
Westfield.
Sa 5th floor ng Westfield, nandito na yung entrance ng Sydney Tower Eye. So, we got our tickets from Klook. And, makakatipid kayo kung magbubook kayo sa Klook and gagamitin nyo yung aming promo code na
Shop Explorers Club.
Yep. So, tara, pasok na tayo. Since naka-prepaid, meron ditong line for the prepaid tickets. So,
Already have tickets today?
yes.
Just around the corner and
Alright, thank you. But it's a voucher. Do we need to get like a physical?
That's what we scan. So it's all
Okay.
good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So mga Chabibis, it took 6 years to build the Sydney Tower. Good to know. Isa pang fun fact, the Sydney Tower weighs 2,239 tons.
Sige, buhatin mo.
In 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1.
We're in another tower. This time it's Sydney Tower.
St. Mary, so ayun yung baba.
Oh yeah, we came from here. St. Mary's Cathedral in Hyde Park. Ang ganda. And that's the museum. So from the north side of the tower, you can see the Harbor Bridge. And Sydney Upper House, pero nakatalikod siya. So they have here an info board of what you can see around. So like, pag clinic mo yan, nalabas yung information ng Royal Randwick Racecourse.
Ayun.
Ayan, oo. Ito naman, ayan. Surrey Hills. Ayan. Oh, may nirecommend sa amin na masarap na kainan dyan. So maybe we'll try to go there. Ayan, oh. Tapos, you can also view the information in different languages. So, kung Japanese, then you click it. The information is in Japanese. Stigno. Like natin sa English. Okay, ayan pa. This is the Anzac Memorial or War Memorial. Galing kami dyan kanina. And it's there, oh. You can see it from here. So there's a snack shop here. If you get hungry. Drinks nila $5.50. Ayan. Tapos may mga ice cream. They have water. $5 yung water nila. Tapos candies.
Are you looking for a snack? Pero for sure, medyo mahal dito.
Yun na
Kasi unang-una, nasa pinakamataas tayo na bahagi ng...
Kaya mataas ang presyo.
Kaya mataas din ang presyo. So magtiis ka muna.
So you can scan the QR code here for your photos. The one we took earlier. So ayan siya. So di na namin kinuha yung photo namin kasi $30 for the digital, 30 pag one print. Ganun. May mga options ka naman. Pero medyo mahal, so wag na. Ganda naman yung mga shots namin. So there's a souvenir shop pagbaba. May mga statue of the tower, $33. $21 yung mas maliit. May mga magnets, 2 for $25 or $15 each.
So mga Chabibis, nangongolekta kami ng mga shot glass. Every country na pinupuntahan namin. So meron dito, $13. So ito na yata yung pinakamahal na shot glass kung bibili kami.
Actually, bawat trip.
Bawat trip pala, not every country. Kasi sa Japan, meron na kaming 6 na klase ng shot glass.
They also have a boomerang here. How much is
$38.
$38 yung boomerang?
Is this considered as a deadly weapon, mga Chabibis? Comment nyo nga. Kasi feeling ko nakakaputol to na leeg pag natamaan ka.
Done right. Yes. Ayan, iba-iba pang mga souvenirs dito. Kung nagpapasalubong kayo, meron dito na clip-on koala. $15. I think yung buunan na to yun. So, ayan. Excuse me. Is this whole thing for $15 or just one piece? Oh, the whole thing? Thank you. So the whole thing is already $15. Wala, hindi ko mapasok. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 koalas. Not bad. No? So we're here now at Queen Victoria Building. And alam niyo ba na na-build to in 1898 pa.
We have to go up to see the full view. So let's go up.
Sobrang ganda naman dito. Ang ganda. By appointment to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Tourette Clockmaker, Stuarts and Reed Limited, Hastings, England. Nice.
So mga shops siya, tapos may mga coffee shops sa gitna.
Yep. So we're gonna go now to Circular Quay.
So every time you'll be riding a train or tram, you have to tap this Opal card on this one.
So antayin lang natin ang tram. So we got off the tram at Circular Quay. Tapos nandito na yung mga wharf going to Taronga Zoo,
Different places like Taronga,
Luna Park,
Bondi
and
Beach.
ito, train station na din. So, you can get to Circular Quay via train or tram, depende kung saan kayo galing.
Sobrang convenient ang transportation nila as in.
Oo. So, walking kami ngayon to get to...
Sydney Opera House.
Yep.
Dito rin yung pick up namin later. Dito manggagaling yung city night bus tour namin.
This is Circular Quay. And then pagdating mo dun sa dulo on the right side is Sydney Opera House. Daan lang kaming Easy Mart to buy water. At ahon na kami.
May mga chubibis. Yung water dito sa Easy Mart is $4. So, ginto ang tunog dito. Pero wala tayong magagawa, kailangan natin uminom.
Let's go. From Circular Quay, kita yung Harbor Bridge. And kung matapang kayo, merong activity dito where you can walk sa top ng Harbor Bridge. Hindi siya kita dito kasi masyado sila maliit, but we can see some people there. Nasa taas sila o nasa tuktok. And there it is. It's the Sydney Opera House. Ayan si Madam nakapost na oh. Ready na for her
Victoria here at
Sydney Opera House shot. So guys, sobrang ganda dito. Pwede kayo tumambay lang, mag-photo-photo. Yan yung Sydney Opera House. And marami ding nagpipicture dun sa may stairs. So, ayan. Pupuntahan na namin yung pick-up point ng
City Bus Night Tour.
Yep. Sa may The Rocks siya. So, doon kami pupunta. Babalik kami kung saan kami galing. Doon kami galing kanina eh. So, yun. We're gonna go there.
Mga chubibis. Handa niyo yung mga paa. Lalo na pag summer kayo pupunta dito. Diyos ko po, good luck.
Come in winter. It's much better. And because we have time, dinner muna kami bago ang tour namin. We'll eat here at Betty's Burgers. Or Pwede ka pa dun dumaan. Pwede ka pa dun dumaan, may pinto dun.
Gusto ko dito eh.
Okay. Okay, sige. Mainit naman ulit. So, here's our quick dinner from Betty's. We got one burger lang kasi baka hindi namin maubos. And onion rings. And then milkshake, caramel. Plus one ice cream.
Naubos na.
Naubos na. We paid $34 for all of these. So, kain lang kami. Mamadali na kami kasi may tour pa kami. So, now we're waiting for our night bus tour.
Yes. Sabi ng driver, we have to be here past no,
Quarter past
the
6.
hour of 6.
6 na lang po.
6 na lang po.
Pinag-isip ka pa, no?
Hello ka. We got this from Cloak. So if you want to get discount, you can use our promo code
Travel Explorers Clock.
para makatipid din kayo.
So, lahat ng Cloak links and lahat ng links na minensyon namin nasa description box. So, if you don't have your tickets yet, it's also sold on board. Leaves at 2:30. It leaves at 6:30
Past.
and 7. But you have to be here quarter past 6.
Past 6. 6 na lang po.
Hello, 2 persons.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Stephen. I'm your guide for tonight.
Matcha Bibis. Lumipat na kami sa baba.
Bye, hypothermia na kami.
Ang labig sa taas. Pero masaya. Nakita na naman namin yung mga major. So,
Tapos na yung tour.
hindi na namin talaga kaya sa taas. So, yan. Pero pahiram sila ng kumot eh. Pero feeling ko kahit nakakumot ka, ang hirap na eh.
Ang hapdi na ng lips.
So, dito na namin sa baba tutuloy yung tour. Meron pa ring headphones naman. We can hear them. And yun na yung araw namin dito sa city. Grabe, ang dami nating nagawa, no?
Super. And my favorite is yung Sydney Tower. Actually, sa loob, hindi siya yung pinaka-the best na napuntahan namin na tower. Pero yung view, priceless. So, malalaman nyo yun pag pinuntahan nyo si Sydney Tower.
Hindi siya, the camera cannot give justice to what we see. Sobrang ganda ng Sydney. Yun lang yung masasabi
Super.
ko.
So, nagiging ano ko na siya. Second most favorite country to visit after Japan.
Ako yung favorite ko, yung night bus tour. Sobrang informative. Hindi na kami nakapagsalita at nakapag-vlog sa bus kasi the whole ride, nagsasalita yung tour guide. Ang dami ko natutunan about Australia, yung mga streets nila, yung mga buildings, even yung architecture, alam na alam niya. Sobrang galing, no?
Yes, and ang Sydney is isang malaking museum.
Yes.
Kaliwat ka lang yung mga museum. And ang maganda, it's free
Free.
to go to their museum. So, walang entrance fee. If you like this video, you can follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!
Tadadada!